Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you sign up into ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your ShopPay application at very first, and after opening the ShopPay application you will get to see this get started button. Tap into that button, and after tapping in there you will get to see this page into your browser. Just simply open this page, and after opening this page you just simply have to enter your email address in order to make an account. Then tap to continue, and after tapping into continue you just simply have to enter a verification code which you will get into your email box. Just simply open your mailbox and enter the verification code in here. And after entering the verification code, your email will successfully be confirmed and you will get back to your ShopPay application. And this way you can very easily sign up to your ShopPay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.